Wow. We're inside the mill here right now, the Muddy Creek Mill. Wow. It's awful. Oops. It's a book of what's upstairs. Oh, okay. I wonder if we're allowed up there or not. I'd like to come and do this in the daytime at some point.
Has everybody got something from Santa? After each passenger had received this gift from Santa's bag, he turned to leave. Wait, Santa, I called. Went to the tree and I found the bow that I had tied there, and I brought it to Santa. It's not much, but you need a gift on Christmas too. And as I placed the bow in Santa Claus's hand, soft and silent snow started to magically fall from the ceiling of the baggage car, collecting at our feet.
Merry Christmas to all, and all good night.
Oops, excuse me.
And then as quickly as he had come, Santa was gone. I reached down and picked up a snowflake.
Thank you.
So as you can see, it's pretty dark. We just came out of the Muddy Creek Mill. And now we're heading over to the station over here real quick again. So we're doing a night train here. There's the mill. And then we're walking around. I don't know why my phone having trouble. Oh boy. So I'm not sure what's going on with the... There we are, starting to... So we are waiting here for the train to come. There's the Muddy Creek Forks station. They have these beautiful rope lights here. We're gonna check out the station afterwards. Might have to come here during the daytime and do a daytime train ride as well at some point. So we are at, hello, this is Simply Exploring. We're formerly Simply Exploring Adventuring with Lewis, and today we're coming to you from Muddy Forks Creek, and we are riding the Monpa Railroad for a night train ride, and this is an open air train, so mostly I think they have a lot of speeders and stuff like that that's going to be pulling us and stuff down the rail line. So I hope you enjoy the trip and hope we can see something in the dark here. And then here comes our ride. Like I said, this is a night ride, so I don't know how much you'll be able to see it. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
I have it in the kitchen somewhere. We're in our bedroom. It's the only two places on there I find it.
So you'll see this night ride, but eventually I'm going to come back and do a day ride when I can. So you can see it in the daytime as well. But this is like the Christmas City train. As you can see, they're open air cars. They have some lights, so we'll be able to at least see inside the cars a little bit. Well, actually, there'll probably be more riding more on these.
Alrighty, they're gonna put the ramps down for you. If you're close to the person, that's the woman's car. It's enclosed, and that's all the motor control. But listen, you sit on the end and that end.
Which car do I want?
You can pick any car you want to. And
There you go. There you go.
I think I want a slightly enclosed one.
watch your head as you board.
Yep. Go ahead, sir.
None of them are on Bob.
Nope. The last one is actually, they say, because it's more enclosed. May I be able to get over to the other side there? Thank you. Oh, watch my head. Oh, there we are. Alrighty. Again, I don't know how much we'll be able to see. There's some lights on the train. I don't know how much you'll be able to see out there.
Some blanket.
Actually, I can.
Blankets here. You got plenty.
You want a blanket on that
Don't
side?
be shy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
give us
sure.
another one.
Pretty good to sit on one and cover up with another.
Oh, sit on one. Oh, that's a deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll take those. You want to stand up or put this down for us? And then we'll cover everybody up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hit mom's shoes on there.
Need one?
Possibly, yeah.
How's that?
Share it.
There we are.
Hold on. See if we can put it in there. Sorry.
Big blanket on us, okay? Yeah, one more. Thank you.
We'll see how bad it gets.
Yeah, they can be all right.
So the blinking you see are my necklaces that are. That's what you see is the reflection of my necklaces that are. I have bulbs and candy canes.
Like me to take a picture of your group on your cell phone? Okay, how many of you are in your group? Okay, good. Is it
Oh,
five?
yeah, and then try and look over. Yeah, there we go.
Okay,
Sorry.
there you go. All right, it says arrived. Oopsie, camera.
Try to put on my gloves.
It's taking a picture of me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I think we got it.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Take a picture.
Okay, these are all your tickets.
Hold on. Let me just put it in my pocket.
Okay, very good. Did I get all the tickets here? Thank you.
Took my ticket already. So got it up against the glass here, so.
That's good to know.
Let's start the thing. Ready? Have fun. Enjoy your ride. Stay nice and warm. Watch if this doesn't come off.
Oh, great.
Yeah, you're okay now. You can put your foot on it.
Yeah, Tim's gonna be cold.
Hot chocolate and cookies when we get back.
Nice and warm in here? Too warm.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Where's that?
Unlike all the other train rides, Stana won't be on this train. He was already at the mill. So, oh, cool! You can see the. Hopefully, I can see the headlights of the train here. So hopefully. This is an open air car, so they warned us to bundle up, but they provided blankets as well and stuff like that. So I'll put on my gloves just in case. Warm enough now. I'm not sure what's going on with the lens. Keeps on. Thankfully, she did get here late, and they were over at the mill telling the Christmas City Express story. Children and stuff. Behind, so not sure why the picture is fuzzy. Oh no, it's not. It's just my vision. My vision was fuzzy. I didn't have my glasses on, but it does get fuzzy every once in a while. Fellow YouTuber Nick's Crossing did a daytime video, but I will be returning back probably in the spring to do a daytime ride of this. The crossing, or are we going back? End of the line. End of the line.
19 Oh, 03. When it opened up.
So it's a very short ride, as you can see.
When it first started.
It's going to be a very short ride. I won't have any outside, train shots because this is the last ride of the day and the only nighttime one to do. Also receive candy cane and a snowflake ornament as part of the package. And then when we head back to the station, we will be getting hot chocolate and cookies as well. I don't know if they offer that on every ride. I'm probably sure they don't. Now I was also at the Allentown and Auburn train ride, and they also have a hot chocolate ride there at that station at 7 p.m. but they're all sold out for December, so you won't see. Somebody has their light on, looking into the woods in there. So, like I said, this is coming into the station now. The Mud Creek Forks train station. Sorry I didn't get there as we were leaving.
What is down there, bud?
Hot chocolate cookies inside. So Santa Claus is down there if you want to get some.
Oh, there he is, waving. See him waving?
Bring your grandpa.
Doesn't he look like Santa Claus? I bet he helped Santa Claus.
You see Santa?
Yeah.
Let's go the other way.
I look hot, Daddy.
You do. I'm so glad. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Next time I'm going.
We're going inside.
Down and take a picture.
So,
I like your
necklaces. Yeah.
Santa.
What's that? No, they want to get Ethan wants to get some so we'll do that. I'm not sure, but I'm sure if you ask her in here, she can tell you.
We're at the general store, train station. Wow, it's great. And cookies. They had chocolates and cookies. Oh, cool. You got an O gauge. You got an O gauge train right here. And like I said, we're in the actual general store, not the train station. Neat.
Mama.
Yes.
I want to pack chocolate.
Okay, I'm going to try. Thank you.
Can I come with you?
No reason they are good. That's a crazy. Sure.
Chocolate chip.
Would you like to grab yourself a napkin?
Sorry.
So you have something to put it on?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Mom.
Thank you.
Decisions.
What's that?
It's an almond.
So we got our
Chocolate chip.
hot chocolate, marshmallows, and I'm holding my cookie. And there's my cookie and my hot chocolate. It's kind of hard to look around. Wow. Upstairs to a village diorama. Okay. They have a village diorama upstairs. And I head upstairs. Wow.
I was going to wear my flashing necklace today, but I didn't.
Yep. I had to. There's the good old mom and pa. So, this is narrow gauge. I'm gonna get more pictures when I... Freight elevator, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. What's his name? Nick's Crossing was here in the warmer months. So I'm gonna see if I got a picture of the freight elevator. And they have stuff in there. See if I can do both. Oh wow, nice. They're doing the singing. I don't want to spill anything, so I'm gonna take pictures as I'm walking. So we're on the second floor here. The HO scale. I'm showing you this where we're at right now, showing you everything where we're at. So that a train would have actually ran through here at one time. So this is the actual Maupaw. I'm showing you all the Muddy Creek Forks area. There's so much to photograph. See if I can get it all. Probably not. I'm gonna have to do it in sections. So this is the town of Muddy Creek Forks in 1917. Oh wow, these antique toys. And you can actually touch them. Wow, ice skates. Strap-on ice skates. They have a little train here. I mean a little tree, sorry. Muddy Creek roller mills. Oh, they have Lionel trains in here too. Yes. Neat. There's singing going on right now downstairs. Wow. Telegraph machines. And the agents. There's the train.
Very good. Enjoyed it very much.
So there's the Heritage Village that's here. I'm gonna have to come down here and just explore that on its own. Down. I thought so. I'm gonna have to come back and do a, because he said the train rides are longer during the daytime. So they have crafts for the kids to do.
That was a lot of fun at night with that. We were on the way for about maybe 30 seconds before I realized there were laser lights in the tree. Just very magical. The kids must love it. So, yes, awesome.
Gauge figure. Oh wow. There's an actual map.
Come in the summer and do some exploring.
Yeah, well, I don't have a training room here in the summer. That's just for Christmas.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Again. Oh wow. Whiteford. Oh, neat. He has an Lionel train in here. Wow. Sweet. O gauge?
No, this is standard gauge.
Standard
This
gauge.
Is, it was made from 1906 until about 1939.
Wow.
After World War II, they only brought back O gauge.
Okay.
This is in a room that was built in 1899, and standard gauge fits.
Wow.
And after World War II, the tract houses were much smaller
Okay.
in size, so they had the O gauge is what they brought back then.
Okay. So this is definitely pre-war stuff.
All these are. This is different for some.
That is cool. Nice. Awesome. And they have more model trains up there. Oh wow. They got Belden number 29. Wow, neat. 440s. Oh, 060. More 280, the baggage cart. Sorry for the fuzziness of the video here. The camera is trying to focus every once in a while. Okay. I'm trying to eat my cookie and my... cabooses of Ma and Pa. Neat place. There's more stuff here on the stairways here, heading down. Wow, luggage from back in those days. So they actually sing. So they have, there's what I was looking for.
Okay.
See what they have.
Yeah. Oh, we've got 3 verses. Wow.
Ma and Pa Heritage.
Okay, so we'll just do 2. Dashing
Long
through the snow in one horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. As our buckles ring, making spirits bright, what fun it is to go and sing a sleighing song. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What a fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Where you going?
Looking to see if they have any magnets.
You found your necklaces, you did great.
Thank you. This one at the Dollar Tree, and this one I found yesterday when I went to light display at a local park.
Oh, they're perfect.
They were selling them there. I was like, oh, I haven't seen the candy cane ones. I was like, I'm gonna have to try to get it. Yeah.
Around this way.
Look at an old lunchbox. Toys. Oh, buckets. Santa. Kids meeting with Santa. So Christmas City Express right there. Oh, they're right here. Wow, they're huge. Is that a... Oh, that's a sticker. I'm looking for... hopefully they have... I don't see any, let me look around until I find them. I usually do find them. They always have a... You guys have fridge magnets or not?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday. I'm not here tomorrow. Know that we have any refrigerator magnets. I think we have, you know, the car
Stickers.
Although, is the big one a sticker or a magnet? I can't remember.
I think the big one is a sticker.
I think it's a sticker.
Yes.
I don't think that we have car magnets, but I'll put that on the list because you're not the first person that asked us about that.
Okay. Yeah, I collect those and put them on my fridge.
Well, I did the ordering, so
Okay.
that'll work out.
And we have it's pretty neat in here.